Hi, ladies. It's time to talk about session 10. And this session is probably something that we have all experienced some highs and some lows on, especially if we have been employees at any place ever. You have probably seen teamwork at its worst and at its best. So that's our focus for session 10 is teamwork. So here we go. So after you watch this video, I have a short video, literally short, like 45 seconds short, talks about the power of having diversified teams. It's something that Microsoft created. So just take a moment to watch that and kind of get your head in the right spot. You're going to read and review chapter 7. And you will be completing your reading notes while you are reading and reviewing chapter 7. There's a couple of things I want to highlight in chapter 7. One of the things that chapter 7 mentions is the book by Stephen Covey, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. That is a fantastic book if you ever have some time to dive into, but the book does bring that up. So I wanted to highlight that for you. The book talks about developing skills within your team and how important that is. It talks about the skills that is needed amongst a team in order to be highly effective. And then the book talks about proven strategies for high performing, and then how to figure out what to do when you hit those obstacles and how to manage conflict that occur within teamwork. Certainly teamwork is a big thing in careers and jobs, but you may experience teamwork inside of your education or extracurricular activities. I can tell you that when I am at church, and I am working on various things. For example, something that has come up recently has been Vacation Bible School. And so I have to work on a team with other people that have lots of different ideas and viewpoints. And we all have to come together. And at the end of the team, we put on a Vacation Bible School for our children. And so you may experience teams all over the place. And that's going to lead us to our journal. So when you access the journal this week, you're going to be asked to watch a video. Please take the time to watch that video. It is a very short clip from a movie, and you might recognize the teacher in the clip. He is Kevin James. He played in King of Queens, a sitcom that is... It still is on TV, but I'm probably aging myself a little bit by telling you that I watched that live when it was not a rerun. But anyway, it's incorporating a science lesson talking about teams. And so watch that video and then answer those questions. I hope that you are going to enjoy this topic inside of this course. And I hope that you can immediately take at least a couple of things that you learned from this session and apply it to your daily life. And then hopefully in the long run, it's going to make you a much better team member and employee in your career. So enjoy your work learning about teamwork and the power of diversity on teams. And let me know, as always, if you need anything or if you have any questions or you're concerned.